Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set custom Automod responses. Please keep in mind that this is a premium only feature, so for those of you that have Dyno Regular, this isn't something that Regular can do. So to set custom Automod responses, head over to the Dynobot website, dyno.gg, click on the Manage Servers button, and select the server you'd like to manage, select Premium. Then we're going to head over to Modules and find Automod, and all you have to do is scroll down. Now of course, for this to work, you actually have to have the module enabled, which it is here. Before I continue, I'd also like to mention that you must have the filter type enabled in order for Dyno to actually display your message. In the upcoming example, you're going to see me set a custom response for the banned words option. In order for the response to actually appear, we must enable the filter type, and we need to at least have Dyno warn the user. This warn option is what allows Dyno to actually say our custom message. Without the warn option, Dyno will not say anything in chat. And then all you have to do is simply enter your custom text. Whatever text you enter here is a message Dyno will display. At the moment, the default is too many attachments. You can see the default in the light gray text. So we're going to go ahead and make one for bad words, since this is pretty simple to demonstrate. As you can see, the default text is watch your language. And then once you're done, go ahead and click update. As you can see, you can customize the text for all of the other filter types, but for this example, I'm just going to use bad words.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.